I'm cooking this corned beef a non-traditional way that everybody cooks corned beef. And why am I doing it? To see how it comes out. So I have 2.6 pounds of corned beef here, and there's a package of seasoning in there that you would normally put into the pot in the water that you cook the corned beef, but I'm not doing it that way. So I'm putting this into a 250-degree oven, and it's going to take a long time. And if the finished product, the texture and taste is better than the traditional way of cooking it, then it was worth the extensive amount of time that I'm cooking it. So don't complain that it takes too long to cook. If something comes out the best, then that's how you should do it. I'm not saying this is. I'll find out later. We are done with the corned beef that's been in the oven for 5 hours in this pot, covered. And the weight of it now is 1 pound 13 ounces. That's important to see the shrinkage. It's not bad at all. And now, what's really important is to taste it. And you know when the corned beef is done, what you do is take a fork, stick it in, and when there's no resistance, it comes out, you're done. Now we'll just try a little piece and see if it tastes any different. Cut against the grain, remember, not with the grain. If it tastes any different than the traditional way of cooking. Oh, that is good. I think I'll be cooking it like this from now on. The only difference is, it is a little saltier, because when it's in the water and you simmer it, it pulls some of the salt out. Other than that, the texture is fantastic. Hope you enjoy.